Welcome to Review Rumble. The best smart blender is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own. It's perfect for everything from smoothies and soups to sauces and even grinding coffee beans. With so many blenders on the market, it can be tough to choose the right one. Today, we're diving deep into the features, performance, and overall value of the smart blender, so you can decide if it's the perfect addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Miscly flat shoe laces for sneakers. Are your sneaker laces looking a little worse for wear? These flat laces from Miscly are the perfect solution. They're designed to give your shoes a fresh new look. Finding the right fit is easy. These laces come in a variety of lengths to suit all types of sneakers. You can be sure to find the perfect length for your shoes. Want to add some personality to your sneakers? These laces are available in a wide range of colors. It's a simple way to customize your look. Replacing your old laces is quick and easy. Simply thread the new laces through your shoes. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Give your sneakers a makeover with these laces. They are a simple, affordable way to refresh your footwear. Get yours today. What we like? These laces come in a wide variety of lengths and colors, perfect for customizing your sneakers. The flat design ensures a secure and comfortable fit, preventing them from untying easily. If you are looking to refresh your sneakers with a pop of color or a reliable lace, you should consider these. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. Number 4. Mercury plus Maia Honey Badger Boot Laces. These laces are built to last, made in the USA with heavy-duty materials. They are designed to withstand the rigors of work and hiking, ensuring your boots stay securely fastened. Honey Badger laces are incredibly durable, built to resist wear and tear. You can rely on them to hold up in tough conditions, providing you with confidence on every step. The round design offers superior strength and knot-holding ability. They are perfect for work boots and hiking boots, offering a secure and reliable fit. Made in the USA, these laces represent quality craftsmanship and durability. They are a reliable choice for anyone needing strong and dependable shoelaces. These laces from Mercury plus Maia are a testament to quality and resilience. They are the perfect choice for anyone who demands the best from their footwear accessories. What we like? These boot laces are made in the USA and are built to last, designed to withstand tough conditions. The round, heavy-duty construction makes them ideal for work or hiking. If you need laces that can handle rugged use and extreme environments, you should choose these. What people say. Great colors and stays tied very tightly all day even though it's very thick and durable and comfortable. These Honey Badgers tick a lot of boxes, made in the USA, strong quality construction, look great on boots, hold a knot, Kevlar core, I think it's the core, and length as specified. The grip is great and haven't had to re-tie them one time yet. Number 3. Miscly Flat Elastic Shoelaces. Are you always in a hurry? These shoelaces are the perfect solution. They're designed to make your life easier. These innovative shoelaces offer a comfortable and secure fit. They are designed for convenience and ease of use. The flat elastic design provides a snug fit. It ensures your shoes stay secure all day long. Simply slip them on and off. It's a quick and effortless way to get ready. Whether you're an athlete or just looking for convenience, these are ideal. They are suitable for all ages and activities. Experience the comfort and convenience. Get yours now and simplify your daily routine. What we like? These shoelaces offer a convenient, slip-on and off experience. The flat elastic design provides a snug fit while allowing for easy wear. If you are looking for laces that offer convenience and comfort, you should consider these. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. The product is a great addition to my daily routine. Number 2. Miscly Round Oxford Shoelaces for Men. Tired of worn-out laces? These are the perfect replacement. They're designed specifically for dress shoes, ensuring a polished look. These round laces are made for Oxford shoes. They're durable and stylish, completing your formal attire. Find the perfect fit for your shoes. It comes in various lengths to accommodate different shoe sizes. Express your style with a wide range of colors. You can match them to your shoes or add a pop of contrast. Upgrade your shoes today. These laces are a simple yet effective way to refresh your footwear. What we like. These round Oxford shoelaces are designed for dress shoes, offering a classic look. They come in multiple lengths and colors to match your shoes perfectly. If you are looking to replace your dress shoe laces, these are a great choice. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. Number 1. Miscly flat waxed cotton shoe laces. Tired of worn-out laces? These are the perfect solution. They're designed to give your boots, sneakers, and shoes a fresh new look. Made from high-quality waxed cotton, this ensures durability and a sleek appearance. The flat design prevents them from untying easily. Find the perfect fit for your shoes. They come in a variety of lengths, so you can choose the one that suits your needs. Express your style with a wide range of colors. Whether you want to match or contrast, there's a color for every shoe. These laces are versatile and suitable for all types of footwear. Give your favorite shoes a stylish upgrade with these laces. What we like. These laces are made of flat waxed cotton, offering a premium feel and enhanced durability. They are suitable for boots, sneakers, and shoes, providing a versatile option. If you like a classic look and need durable laces for various types of footwear, you should choose these. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. The features are useful and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.